Antu Huang is here, Keshav is here, Kiran, Muhammad, Sharija, and the India. Okay. We will talk about those extension, and I want to see how many of you actually finished it and how many more times. So let me go to Lola. Okay. I'm going to record, so let me go record it. Great, so we're in the week 11, and I'm going to scenario recording. I'm going to share my screen with you, and let's keep going. Perfect. So I already gave you a PDF in the week 11 here, only about WordPress. So what is WordPress? What exactly is doing? So yes, last week I showed you that almost half of the website on the world are located in the WordPress platform. So it is the ready platform, so you can add the theme, templates, plugins, the more widget, and have a professional web design without coding and less headache. So what is WordPress? WordPress powers nearly the 1/3 of the world's website, from small personal blog to the complex site major corporations such as Sony, Time Inc., and the New York Post and the NBC. So WordPress is only one of the site builder and the content management system users can download and install for free, but it has unique feature that make it the most popular content management system in today. We have something like a Joomla, I don't know, Durapal, and what else? Wix also. Yeah, those kind of things. So you can not now. So this is the actual WordPress. I think last week we talked. Did I even mention last week to the WordPress or no? I cannot remember. You help me. No. Okay, good. Thank you, Mohammed. So I'm going back to here. WordPress is the most important one because, let me make this one bigger so you can see it better. Because flexible and adaptable for the changing need. So let's say you want to change headline, I don't know, images, text, whatever, so no need to go to any coding. So directly with the user-friendly environment, you can change your website. So it's a very user-friendly, even for the beginners. So when you're going to take a look at the WordPress, it's more look like Microsoft Word. So you can type, you can add the different widget by click drag, and then add the images and the media or anything. Teams offer multiple options also. So let's say you want to buy a theme for your thing. One of them, let me actually show you what exactly theme means. So let me go to, for example, this website, themeforest.com, I think, .net. So this is from the Envato market, and one of the themes things is the WordPress one. So let's go for the popular item, for example, and I'm going to click on the Avada, and let me go see the live preview. So it's $69. only for the design of the themes. So as you can see, you can have a website like this by only installing this theme on your WordPress platform, and the rest is just changing the photos and the text. So that's simple. You can play with those themes. Let me go back one more time, and for example, let me click on this one, $59 live preview, and here we go. Imagine how wonderfully you can change the style of the design and everything simply. So if I go back to my PDF, you can understand how important are themes. So themes are ready, designed, responsive website that you're going to download the zip or buy the zip one, and then you're going to activate it on your platform WordPress account, and then you can change whatever you want. The plugins also are very, very important to increase the functionality of your website. When you have a WordPress, number 5, when you have a WordPress website, so the site ranking is going up too, because it's a very, very SEO friendly, which is the search engine optimization things. Another things is that your website, all the website in the WordPress are already mobile friendly. So when you're going to work with the WordPress, no need to go to lots of coding for the making your website responsive. So it's already perfectly fit on the desktop, laptop, tablet, and mobile phone also. Number 7 is the WordSites that have a built-in blog. So if you later I'm going to show you. So we have two kind of different pages in WordPress. One is page, one is post or the blog. So WordPress started with the blog because for the first days, early days when the WordPress came to the world, so it was only blogging platform, and then after that is because it was open source, so it's developed and it's one of the top one right now. The WordPress community offers support, so there is millions of people around the world who's going to help you to handle technical issue you may have in the things. So WordPress, the base is the PHP language, and the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the more language will sit on top of that PHP language. It's a very, very user-friendly, and it's very easy to use to create a professional website. So, first, you should go to the WordPress.com. You should do with me at the same time. So you're going to the WordPress.com, and then you're going to click on the Gmail or the Apple account, and then you're going to create an account in WordPress. So please do that. When you are going to create your account with your email and username and password, make sure you're going to write down this username password somewhere safe, because you need it for your project, final project. If the WordPress asks you to pay for the personal, premium, business, and e-commerce, ignore all of them, and in here in the top, just start with the free. So I don't want you guys pay for WordPress now. Are you with me? Okay. So go to the WordPress.com. I'm going to actually type it here. And you can click in here, and this is the WordPress.com. And then after that, you should go get started. If you don't have a WordPress, then you're going to click on the Gmail or the Apple ID and keep going. Or you can just use your any other email if you have. So after that, you're going to click on the start with the free. If you want to buy hosting and whatever, so there is one more link in here I can give you if you want to buy domain and hosting with, for example, GoDaddy here. Let me actually give you this one also. If you click on that link, it's going to lead you to the hosting with the GoDaddy thing. So it's a $13 per month. You can have fully loaded access to all those hostings. So one website, 40 gigabyte SSD storage, 24 malware scan, 3 free Microsoft mailbox, and that's it. It's up to you that how you want to, but my recommendation is just to stay with the free one for now. Then in the next step, you should pick a domain name for your website. My recommendation is something like, I don't know, your name and then art or design or studio. It's up to you. Let's say, for example, my name is Farid. I'm going to say faridart.wordpress.com. Don't pick any, I don't know, crazy name. I don't know, the shadow of the dragon shadow, those kind of weirdo name. This is the, you guys are the advertising and the media person, so you must be very official and professional. So pick a domain and then go search for your domain. And when you're going to pick any domain, for example, in here I picked the Pixelman Wyoming. Don't click on those two with the blue buttons in front of them. Go for the free version. So it's a pixelmanwyoming.wordpress.com and then free and then select. Because I don't want you guys to spend money for the website for now. After you pick the free version, again is going to lead you to the page with the price, but very tiny in the top, you will see a start with a free site. So click on the free site. Or maybe you don't see these things, the page, but make sure you will stay on the free one. And then at the end, you should see something like that, which is the go to the dashboard. So two things are important. Stay with the free plan and go back to the dashboard. When you're going to click go to the dashboard, you should see an environment like this. So this is the black bar at the left, and then some text in here. Some of you maybe should go and confirm your email you're receiving from the WordPress, and then keep going. So work on this project for now, and I'm going to give you 3 more minutes to finish this process and then come back to you. Let me stop recording. Stop recording, and also stop sharing. Let me know when you finished. Okay, you guys are good? Did you get the, did you reach to this part? Yes, 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 Shrija, Muhammad, good. So I wanted to make sure you guys in the dashboard of the website. So you can read that PDF later, how we can actually create the website, and that's it. So I'm going to start working on the website, making the website process with WordPress. Before everything, before I start going to the WordPress, and let me actually log into my WordPress here to log in. So it was, I think, my Gmail account, I'm not sure, probably was. Yeah. Send me the, yeah. Yeah. back to the site, and where is it? My dashboard. So you should see an environment like this. So, and what is the name of the process? Oh, sorry. Am I sharing my screen or no? Oh yeah, recording. Sorry. Yeah. So you should see some environment like this. The first and most important things we need for the making a website is the pages. So website pages are the super important things. So as you can see, we can see the pages in here. And if I go to the all pages, you will see I have lots of pages like home, creative writing, advertising, business plan. There is a bunch of things we have here. Good. But I don't know how exactly my sitemap working. So before everything, I should create my sitemap. Sitemap is a kind of illustration of your pages and the hierarchy of the pages together. So for that reason, we need a very strong sitemap. How can we create a sitemap? Simple, just a paper and pen. So you can just draw this as the home, and I have for the main page, and under them I have a several page and more. Adobe Illustrator is another application that you can create the things. Whatever is going to let you to create the shape, text, and flow chart will be the perfect tool for sitemap. But in this class, I'm going to show you one of the industry standard for the sitemap, which is Lucid Chart. Here you go, LUSIDCHART.com. Remember this website, Lucid Chart. Let me actually type, it's in here, www.lucidchart.com. So this is the very, very great tool for your sitemap. So I'm going to log in. I already have an account with the Google. Yeah, and this is the one of those sitemap that I did for the class before you. So you can see the home page here, I don't know, and then we have some page in here, and let's say my name and my address, things, everything is here. So I'm going to get rid of everything. Let me delete them all. Delete. Great. So the blank page in Lucid Chart will be like this. Let's say I want to create the first button or the shape, which is my home page. So I'm going to click drag on that shape. You can pick any of those shapes, doesn't matter. Or even you can go to the, I don't know, the shape library and see which one is working better for you. It's up to you. So let's say I'm going to use this one. A bit here. I'm going to make it bigger. Double click on text, and I'm going to type home. So let's say this is my home page. Let me give it a color. Go to this fill color box, and I'm going to give it a color. So this is my home page. Let's say after a home page, I need some more page. I'm going to select this one, Control C and Control V. Let's leave this guy here. And I'm going to rename this one to About. Again, Control V. Let's make this one, I don't know, Design Projects. Control V. let's say business services, and at the end we'll have this one, which is contact. If you want to connect your pages together, so you're going to on top of that page, and from this area you're going to click drag and leave it here. Again, click on the blank space and then go to this one here. Here. So that's simple. You can work on your sitemap flowchart or illustration. Let's say under the project design project, you need some more pages. Let's leave it here. I'm going to call this one, I don't know, graphic design maybe. Then web design. Let's say motion graphic and the photography also. Motion graphics. One more, which is photography. So I'm going to connect those pages together also. Again, from that, just click drag out of this red dot and then leave it on the dot other. I want to have some sub menu or sub pages for the business services also. So I'm going to select all those guys here, Control C and then Control V. So I'm going to move those guys here, and here we go. Let me delete this one. I don't want the last one. And for the business services, I have 3 services. The first one is the business plan. Next one is marketing plan. And then maybe, I don't know, maybe creative writing. Creative writing. So they are, at the end, is my sitemap. I always need sitemap, and you should upload this one to the final folder also. Before that, you should write your name and your website address here too. For example, I'm going to click drag on that T, bring it here, leave it anywhere you want, double click. So I'm going to type my name first, or your name, fareed.g.sat, and then my website, www.fareed.wordpress.com. Here we go. So when I'm going to open your file, I know this is for student XYZ, and its website address is there also. So then you need to make it PDF. So you're going to the file, in here, not in here, in here, inside the Lucid chart. File, export, PDF. Make sure this is the full page and the PDF, and then download. Here we go. I'm going to download it. It will sit on the download folder, and its name is Fareed I don't know, let me remove the things. Read sitemap. And if I click on that PDF, you will open it in, where is it? Download Fareed sitemap. Yeah, here you go. So you have this one. So what is the benefit of this one? The benefit of this is you need to understand how many pages you need and what is the relationship of the pages to each other. So I have home, then in the top menu, I have only about design project, business service, and contact, and then they will be sub menu. So we are not going to make this one busy. So for example, in the last class project, Fareed.asad, no, Fareed.wordpress.com. If I go to the website, I have about, I have design project, then I have my submenu here, business services are here, portfolio here, contact here, and the different things. So I'm going to show you how to actually create and build your website. So I'm going to stop recording, and I'm going to stop sharing also, and I'm going to give you 10 minutes to go to the Lucid chart and create one sitemap for yourself. Then randomly, I'm going to ask some of you to share with us. 10 minutes maximum. So did you guys finish it? Could you please send your file in the chat box here? I want to see some of you. Sharija, I'm going to start with you. Upload your PDF in the chat box. Sharija, did you hear me? Who is volunteer? Or you're not able to? Who can upload PDF here? What do you mean, Sharija, what do you mean your laptop is hanging? How the laptop can be hanging? Honestly, sometimes I cannot understand you guys. You mean lagging? I think today you guys are not listening. You cannot hear me. What about, let me go pick from here. What about Viplav? Viplav, can you upload? Yeah, what is it? Yes. Oh, lagging. Okay. We need to call it hanging. Okay. Okay. So just I want to make sure you guys all have your sitemap and you know how to use the sitemap, because it is very important to understand how to work with the Lucid chart. So I already know how many pages I need and how I should hierarchy them together. So let me go back to the, okay, let me actually record this one, and I'm going to share my screen with you guys. Perfect. So I'm going back to pages. So this is the dashboard, and I'm going to click on the page. But before everything, guys, make sure when you're going to the setting here, so make sure your website is launched and it is on the public, so everyone can see it. Don't put it on the private, coming soon, which is the under construction. No, just launch your site. You will see something said launch your site. So launch your site and then make it public, so I can see your website later, whatever, and then save setting. And the next step, I'm going in the dashboard, I'm going to click on the pages, all pages, and I'm going to remove all those pages here. So let's go, for example, I'm going to keep home only. Trash. So let me get rid of all those pages I already created. And this is the good to know. When you want to get rid of any pages, so this is the page, you're going to click on those three dots in front of it, and then trash. And at the end, do the one refresh. So you will see the only home page and NFTs. So it means if I go here, and if I refresh, you will see I don't have any pages anymore. In WordPress, when you want to start working on your website, first you should build your pages. Where are my pages? I already download them here. So let me actually go open it with the let me go to the Microsoft Edge, for example. So how come I cannot see my things? Download. Yeah, here we go. So I already have the home page, and then I'm going to create the first row, which is the about, design project, business services, and contact. So I'm going back in here. Where is it? Here. And then this is the new page. Or in the page, you can click on the new page. First thing you should give to your page, don't pick any of those ready templates. Simply just click on the blank page, give it a title or name, so about, and then publish and publish again. So for the first time, you should click 2 times for the publish. Then you can keep going on the pages. So the next one was new page, blank page. It was design projects, and then publish. Next one is add new page. It was blank, and I think in the sitemap it was business services. Publish. And then the last one in the top row was another blank page, which was contact. Great. So now I'm going back. Click on that black icon in the top left, then go to the all pages. Then you will see the pages you have. Home, contact, business services, design